Hello, this is Terry Patio, owner of Syndication Express, content syndication platform. Today I have a new blog post that I recommend you read now, and it's entitled Sleep, the connection between sleep and heart health. Simply click the link below in the description, and while you're here, click that button down there to subscribe to my channel. And this way you can get notified when there is a new video. Like and follow us on Facebook. Check out my personal profile on the Syndication Express site as well. Thank you for viewing this video and reading the blog post too. I look forward to seeing your comments below. Hit that like button so I will know how many people like this video and its content. This helps me to know what you're interested in seeing. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.